Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If today's the first time that you're watching one of my videos, welcome to the Emma Beauty family. My name is Marylin. So today's makeup tutorial, it will be all about another fall look for the 2018. This time it will be a bow look and all glammed up eye on a halo eye with glitter eyeliner. So yeah, that's up for today. So I hope you like these type of videos like this. And I'll be creating a little bit more. This is more burgundy-ish with gold, which is one of my favorite colors to use in fall season. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So if you'd like to know how I created this Halo Cranberry Gold eye, then keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing, my eyes, what I use for my eyes, to eye primer. As an eye primer, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, which is this one, and the shade is Warm Beige. I'm not setting them, so I'm just going to make sure there's no creases on them, and I'm going straight to the palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Rush, which is this color right here, on a fluffy brush. I'm not going to even, pigmented baby. And I'm going to take it pretty high on my crease. Next shade that I'll be taking is the color Alert, which is this one right here, and I'm going to take a more tapered in brush, and this one is from e.l.f. This is a crease brush. And I'm just going to intensify this crease area. And I'm going to start bringing it because we're going to create a halo look. And I'm just packing the color in. Then I'm going to go with the color Framed, which is a more burgundy. And I'm grabbing the color and I'm being very messy with it. I'm not being very precise. I'm loving this e.l.f. brush. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer to me. Okay. So I'm being very messy, not precise. I'm going back and I'm using the same brush. I'm going back to Alert. I'm going to mix it a little bit with Rush. I'm going to go a little bit higher just to make sure all this stays blended and doesn't become muddy or anything like that. I'm going to take another brush, and this time I'm going to be using a small fluffy brush, and this is from Real Techniques. And I'm going to be using the color Secret, which is this color brown, and this is going just to pack and give some definition to my eye. And I'm just packing the color in, not doing any blending or anything like that. Now I'm mixing it in. Going to be using my well-loved Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. And I want this look a little bit more in my inner and outer V areas. I want it more burgundy-ish than anything else. So I'll be taking Venetian Red, which is this color right here. And I'll be using the brush that I told you guys I bought at Walgreens, but I'll be using this one here. So I'm taking the color, and I just want to pack this kind of reddish color on my inner and outer V. And then I'm going to take it into Love Letter. There you go. And now I'm going to be mixing it in. and giving myself that halo effect, but I'm being messy. I'm not being precise. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I'm going to be taking this color here. And I'm going to place that on my brow bone area just to have this area very blended. Alright, to create a halo effect, I'm going to use the concealer and I'm going to bring you guys back out. And I know it looks crazy. It's going to look crazy before it looks pretty. Just letting you know. Alright, so I'm going to use my finger. Okay, so the halo eye is starting to come into a shape. And now I'm going to use my Hale palette. And I'm going to take this gold. Like this gold, it's coloring my name. Right there. Ooh, this looks so pretty, you guys. And then I'm going to start taking the color Framed, which is that. Plummy shade, mix it with Love Letter from Anastasia. And I'm going to start blending. And sorry, my dog is barking. And there you have it. This is so far how it's looking. I'm going to be doing a wing liner. It is not showing the way that I want it to show, so I'm going to switch to a different one. I'm going to be using a glitter one, and this is from NYX. So I'm going to try this and see how it looks. And I'm not going to take this off from the clip because I want you to see that, hey, even though I have something in my head, sometimes it doesn't work. So I'm going to be using this one, and wish me luck. Alright, so far so good. I have my eyes closed because I need this to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on my other eye. So I will be right back. Okay, so the other eye is done. I applied some lashes. I also placed some mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is my Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes. And then the lashes that I have are my Ardell Wispies. So to work on my lower lash line, going back to the Hale palette. And this time, just be very careful in what you use. So I'll be using this brush right here. And I'm just going to be taking the color, what color I haven't used? Mugshot with a little bit of Framed. And I'm going to place that in my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking an e.l.f. flat brush, just like this one. And I'm going to use Secret with Framed and mix it up. And I'm going to put that very tight on my lower lash line. I'm going back with the Profusion eyeliner. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. Alright, so all I have left will be my inner corner of my eye and lipstick, and I'm pretty much done. I do have some glitter on the star lashes. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and this is from my Black Radiance, and this is the medium. I'm going to be taking that gold right there, and I'm going to be taking this on a brush. Let's see. Yep. I'm going to be taking one of those little makeup sponges. And I'm going to use it there, and I'm going to apply this in my tear duct area. And I'm going to be packing that color in. Then I bring this up here a little bit. And there you have it. This is my makeup look for today. Very glam. You could put your hair up. Nice luxurious earrings, which I'm going to switch because I need something a little bit more bulky with this bolder look. So there you have it. This is the way I will wear this look. Very halo eye, very bold because of the lips, but I am in love with a very intense eyeliner in gold. So there you have it, guys. Another fall season 2018 fall look. So this will be to use as a glam look. I will call this a glam look to my liking, but I could rock this color and this shade any time of the year, but this is more geared towards that fall season that's about around the corner. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Know that I love you so much. I'll see you guys. Hasta la próxima.